Hello and welcome. My name is Jennifer Stanton, and I'm going to take you through a quick tour of Samsung KnoxGuard. Samsung KnoxGuard is a locking and messaging mechanism that gives financial institutions and carriers and basically anybody that would be financing a mobile device for their users the ability to have some control over those devices when users do not pay for them. So if you are selling devices to your users and you're offering a finance option, you deserve to be able to lock users out of their device if they aren't paying their bill, so that you make sure that you get the most out of your devices and your investment that you can. So devices are uploaded to KnoxGuard using the same mechanism, the same reseller upload mechanism that Knox Mobile Enrollment uses. And so when IMEIs are available here, you have the ability to lock and unlock them. So I can come up here to actions. I can send a notification to my user saying, hey, you haven't paid your bill. I would recommend that you go pay your bill. So in this case, I have control over what that message says, the phone number that I'm going to offer them to call, and then I can send that message directly to my users. When that appears on their screen, they can dismiss it, they can make the phone call, whatever they need to do. Now, this particular notification is completely dismissible. So once they hit OK, it is gone from the notification curtain. Another type of notification that you can send to them is one that blinks or one that repeatedly. So, and this type of similar to the one that one, it's going to appear on the device and also show up in the notification curtain of the device. Now, this type of notification can be dismissed off the screen, but not out of the notification curtain. So when I pull down that notification bar, you can see that I have a notification in there. It is not dismissible, so I can't get rid of that. I can click on it and it'll bring the message back up. And then when I hit OK, it's gone again, but still in the notification curtain. Now, this type of message will periodically display for end users, and you get to control how often that message is displayed. Let's go ahead and turn that message back off. So I'm going to turn that off. And it will disappear pretty soon from the notification curtain. So let's say that they have paid their bill and all is well, so now they don't need that notification anymore. Another type of message that I can send to my users is one that they have removed their SIM card. We don't want the users to put a different SIM card into the device. We want them to be using the SIM card that we provide. So I can give them a SIM card. There we go. Oh, it's already enabled. That's fantastic. Let me show you what that looks like. So when I go to policies, I can do SIM control. SIM control is currently turned on. I get to lock it to a specific network. So when users put in a SIM card from a different network, then they would get locked up. So let me show you what that looks like. If I take my SIM tool and I'm just going to take the SIM card out of the device. There we go. So I have the normal SIM card tray notification, but now also my device is completely locked. And it would do this if I inserted the wrong SIM card as well. And I can't do anything on this device except for those applications that are set by the policy. So in the policy, I can choose which applications are available. In this case, I'm restricting all kinds of things like making outgoing calls, receiving incoming calls, data usage. I'm restricting it all. But then you also have the ability to set specific applications that are available during the lock screen. So I can choose which apps I want to make available to my users so that they can use my app to make their payment. Then once I insert the correct SIM card, I'm just going to push it back in, then the device will automatically unlock. Let's say that they haven't paid their bill and I need to just lock them completely. I can just send a lock message to the device to lock. This is very similar to the SIM control lock that I just sent, in the fact that the device is completely locked. I can only use those applications that my carrier has allowed me to use. And then there are a couple of options here. So I can unlock this with a PIN code. Let me go back to the screen. I gotta refresh the page. There we go. So now the status shows as locked and a PIN option appears. That PIN would show up right here. So it would give me the ability to enter a PIN code. This is in case they call support, they make their payment, and they need the device unlocked. They can do it that way. Another option is for automated unlocking, so that when they pay their bill, you can just automatically unlock the device for them. There you go. Now, KnoxGuard can be used in a couple of different ways. You can use it with this portal right here, but when you have, thousands, potentially millions of devices in here, then that's going to be impossible to do on a one-by-one basis. We have some bulk actions available, but we also have API integration available so that you can integrate KnoxGuard into your current payment system so that devices are automatically locked and unlocked based on their payment schedule. And that is KnoxGuard. Thanks for watching.